This is a green spruce. You can tell it's a green spruce because of the way it is. This is wheat. You can tell it's wheat because of the way it tastes.
I'm gonna taste it.
You can tell by the flexibility of these, they're not dead yet. And they won't be for a while. You hear it?
What?
Sometimes in nature, you can hear animals, but it helps to shake the earth up a little bit. Here you go. And just like that, you have people coming. Whoa! Sometimes in nature, things will pop out and scare you. Luckily, I didn't have my gun, but if it was an animal, it'd be a different story. This piece of wood is different from the last piece of wood because it's dead. You can tell it's dead because it doesn't bend and it's broken. Sometimes you need a walking stick in nature. You want one that's a little big but it's not flimsy enough to break. That wasn't a good walking stick.
Stop!
Oh, it's a crick! Sometimes in nature you get a little cold. Luckily, we found some hot springs. So I'm gonna go test it out and see how warm it is. Woo! Okay. It's not hot springs, but that's a good lesson to learn if I need a water source within the next couple days.